Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Duolingo. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo and you will enter. Here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo and here we'll update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.